1. Increase the energy in the body. Thanks to the fact that bananas contain carbohydrates, it helps increase energy in the body, thus raising the level of daily activity. And to obtain energy from the beginning of the day, it is recommended to eat a banana in the morning, but the sugars in bananas should be satisfied and not to eat more foods rich in sugar. 2. Reduce chances of muscle contraction. One of the benefits of eating bananas is that it contains high levels of potassium, as one banana is rich in about 422 milligrams of potassium, and thus helps reduce the chances of muscle contraction quickly. This will reduce the incidence of muscle cramps, which is one of the problems that occur as a result of sudden pressure on the muscles, especially as a result of exercise. 3. Reduce chances of heartburn. Heartburn is a common problem for many people, especially after eating fatty foods, and in this case, bananas are an ideal solution to reduce the possibility of heartburn, as bananas help relieve heartburn and feel comfortable because it neutralizes acid in the stomach, and this is one of the most prominent benefits of eating bananas daily. 4. Maintain blood pressure levels. Potassium also helps maintain blood pressure levels in the body, and as we mentioned that bananas contain high levels of it, the high percentage of potassium to the low percentage of sodium helps reduce high blood pressure in the body. 5. Maintaining weight. Although bananas can cause weight gain if you eat a lot of them, they're rich in fiber that helps you feel full for a long time, and thus the feeling of hunger decreases after eating it. Bananas also contain a type of starch that reduces appetite, and it is preferable to eat green bananas, which are low in calories, which results in eating fewer calories later during the day.